Hello to all of you. Today I will guide you how we can increase view of any video. TikTok we want on. Boost like 24/7 website. First we need to find any TikTok clip. We can get our own TikTok clips or of any channel. For example, I'm going to take this clip now. Or any other clip. For example, for this clip, we'll get the video link here. And go to boostlike247.com. This website will help us increase interaction, natural, on social networking platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and so on. We can increase team members, increase follow, increase like posts, and for increased view, we can enter the TikTok section, TikTok Boost. And here we will be able to see the TikTok view here. Then we click here and put our link in. You can also choose a server. Select a server to increase the view. And we can also read details here to be able to choose the right servers. Finally, select the number of views. For example, I want 50,000 views. Then you can select 10,000 views and click buy. Is that we can be increasing the view for the video. Thank you for watching the video.